This is Mariana Crawford, and today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me, and you can just follow along with me. If there's any products or any makeup tips that you would like for me to go over, please leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to say something about it on my next video. Okay. MMC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. Today I'm going to be using my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I have a sample of it. It's very thick in consistency, and what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of this. This is the Marc Jacobs, and this is Shameless, and it's too light for me, but it has 50 SPF, so I put a little bit of this in it to soften it up and to lighten it up a little bit, because the other shade is a little bit too dark for me. And then yesterday I tried to put my Deep Bronzy, which is a little bit of a bronzy glow, and put it in there too. I did that yesterday and it looked really nice. My makeup stayed in place all day long and it looked really nice, so it was a nice combo. So I go ahead and I mix it all together like that, and then just take it. It's Friday, thank the Lord, baby Jesus. I'm telling you, it's been a really stressful week, and I'm so happy the weekend is coming. Take the rest, whatever is left over, and put it down my neck. Alright. For skincare, I put on Laura Mercier for my moisturizer, and then I put Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer. This one, it's like a serum, and I think that's it, right? Yeah. Oh, and I put a little bit of primer on my eyes from Fenty Beauty. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and brighten my under eye with my Shape Tape, and this one is light. This one is let's see, what was the name of it? Light Sand. Okay, for powder, yesterday I did a little bit of It Cosmetics. This was the Bye Bye Pore Pressed Translucent Powder, and it came out really nice, so I'm gonna try that again. This is what it looks like. This powder blurs the pores, and it does a very good job. Alright, so now that I'm powdered and poreless, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the brows. I'm gonna do Anastasia Brow Wiz first, and then put a little bit of brow gel on top. I'm just gonna fill them in really quickly. Yesterday we started watching Baywatch, and we saw the first episode of Baywatch, David Hasselhoff, and saw a lot of people that I know now, older, look so different now. Of course they look different, they're older, but still. It's just so cool to see them young. We couldn't get through the whole episode though because it was kind of cheesy. It's on Amazon Prime if you want to check it out. It's nice to see the 80s again. Who's excited for Game of Thrones again? I can't wait to see it. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of Gimme Brow on top of that and call it a day. Okay, this is from BH Cosmetics. It's called Flawless Brow Highlighter. And it has a shimmery side and a matte side. Brows are done. Kevin Aquan sculpting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shading with this one. Use this one. I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush. Alright, so for today I'm gonna use a little bit of the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna use the warm side or the cool tone. Let me see. I'll do the cool tone just because. So I'm using the transition shade first, and this is like a gray shade. Putting that in the crease to start everything off. My white jumbo pencil. This pencil is in Milk Latte. And what I do is I just put it on top. And blend it out to give a white base. And then all the colors you put on top of it like show up a lot more because of the white base. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I have this palette, this beautiful palette that I bought from. It's the Saint and Sinner palette by Kat Von D, and I hardly ever use it, and it has some really nice colors in it. And so I'm gonna try to use some of these today for my eye look. I'm gonna take a tiny brush and swirl it around, make sure I don't have anything on my brush. And for the inner side of the eye, I want to use a yellow. I'm going to use Relic from the center side, and it's yellow, but it's like a metallic one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm going to use that metallic one, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Now I have to pick another color, either purple or blue, to put on the side of it. And I don't know which one to use. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one and see if it looks nice. No, I don't like it. What about this one? No, I don't like it. What about this one? No, I don't like it. What about this one? Kind of like it. What about this one? No, I don't like it. What about this one? Ooh, Mufasa. Okay. Alright, so I swatched a whole bunch of the colors here. And I'm thinking about doing this one, which is like a hunter green. Putting that one on the side. And I'm using a very small brush because I want to be super precise with it and not have the green all over the place, you know? Okay. Now, I'm going to take a little bit, I'm making sure that there's no product on the brush, taking a little bit of the yellow, putting it in the middle between both, and just trying to shade it in to each other so that it can have a little bit of a gradient effect. And no harsh line. Put a little bit more green on this side. Okay, so now that that's done, I think the lower lash, I'm going to put some gray in it. I don't want to put the colors on, just want to tie it all together with gray around, all around, you know? So for gray, I'm just going to put the transition shade on the lower lashes and bring it down as much as I can to smoke it out. We got up super early. We went to bed really early. My husband's not feeling well, so we went to bed early last night. So I got up super early, took the dog out, and now I have time to play a game before I leave. Work this out. Alright, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the white in this palette. The white in this palette is matte, of course, because this is a matte palette. I'm going to use that for the inner corner highlight. And I'm going to use that for the brow bone. with the same brush. Okay, putting that a little bit more, blending it a little bit more. Okay. Next. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner for eyeliner. Use my time forward. This is my blush. All right. This one. Drive me crazy. Okay. Use this Bite Beauty one. Coco Cabana. This one is in the shade Glace. And with Glace, I'm going to use ColourPop Moonchild as a topper. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, bye.